Ladies and gents of the YouTube, welcome back. Another beautiful NorCal day here, and we are doing exciting stuff. The CBR250 4-cylinder MC19, very rare Honda in the United States. We're gonna see if it runs. Damon just hooked up a battery to it, and it turns over, goes chicka chicka. So he pulled the gas tank off, and we're gonna put the bottle to it. And one of the good things about this bike is it appears that it was stored without gasoline. So we might have a fighting chance of hearing it run before we take the carburetors off. And I say before because we always end up taking the carburetors off stuff. But yeah, let's see what we get into on this one. So if you don't remember, or if you're new to the channel, this motorcycle we bought a couple weeks ago with several other motorcycles out of a big giant horde. It was awesome. It was a lot of fun. But we're finally starting to get through stuff. So this one probably gonna go on eBay eventually, but we're gonna play with a little bit first. Still got the original toolkit in there. Mouse Nest was free. He did not charge me extra for that, thank goodness. But look at this bike. Look at the red line on that. Yeah, 20,000 RPMs. Shouldn't even be legal. Oh wait, it's not. And sometimes with these bikes, you gotta rig stuff up. So we're gonna bypass the little filter there, go straight into the fuel pump. And I'm thinking that this thing's gonna start up. And I might just be stupid optimistic, but I don't know. I think it's gonna fire. The old Hondas sometimes let me down, not always.
Choke lever somewhere, right?
Yeah, it's up here. Choke, is it? Oh, right there. There we go. Choke skis on. Give it a chigga chigga. Let's see if we'll get some fuel to it. Go for it.
Is it? Wait a minute now. And let's make sure it doesn't, it energizes when you hit the button. Let's just.
Oh, I feel it moving.
I do too.
Yeah. Let's give it some starting fluid. I think it's just not enough gas getting to it yet.
I don't know.
Keep trying to pump it. A little go-go juice.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright, little Phillips action. Oh yeah, little trusty starting fluid. That one's kind of low, better grab a couple. Gonna make zip ties and bias plies proud. Oops. Oh yeah, she wanted to make noise there. Oh. So close. So close. Come on, baby. Yeah. Oh, look at the exhaust. A bunch of stuff flew out of the exhaust. It probably has a mouse nest in there. Oh yeah. We are close. Give it a little bit more juice. Oh, yeah. Uh-huh. It's gonna run. I can feel it. Well.
Is that open now?
Yeah, it's out of gas. We need to put more gas in here.
Okay.
Yeah. We do.
Yeah.
Right down the hatch. Just a little.
Not too much, because you don't want to hydro lock.
Just a little gargle. Little gargle. Just a little sippy poo. Key back on, ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, baby. There we go. The choke's on? Oh, she purrs.
And the choke is off.
The choke's off.
Okay, we should definitely.
Yeah, before we run it too much, let's check the coolant.
We start a fire.
But it has oil in it. We did check that. We checked that it's got oil. But, yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure it has a thermostat. Maybe
It does.
Maybe it doesn't even open up here until.
It should have a thermostat right there, yeah.
Yeah, well, let's check the.
Careful.
God, this rubber hose is just.
They're the throttle cables, no? Yeah, they are.
Well, yeah, but everything is.
It's
stiff.
like, oh yeah. I was just going to say it's a shitty way to route it. Do you want,
You got it? That's not easy.
can you get it off? I have a big,
weird place to put that.
yeah, I have a
Sounds like
big
it'd be
old,
much more accessible than that.
a nice cut on my finger, which makes that stuff feel great. Oh, there we go. Well, it looks like it's got
It's got something in it.
something in it.
Do we have?
Coolant? Yeah. Yeah.
We do.
Oh, yeah.
Over here on the shelf.
On the shelf, I got some stuff down there, though, too. That's 50-50 mix.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's use a funnel. I'll give it
I
a...
can still see what's happening.
Yeah. She's running pretty good now.
Okay.
No choke. That's a good sign. It idles and everything. A little clean out. Just a little clean out. Wow. That's scary.
You can imagine what 18 would sound like.
I'm scared. Oh yeah, she's getting the cobwebs blown out of her a little bit now.
That's half a red line.
Half of red line.
Shut her off.
Go for it.
That's half a red line. I just can't imagine what this thing would sound like a red line. It's like, oh my god.
It's just scary sounding. It's just that like F1 car-ish.
Well, yeah.
Yeet.
back when F1 cars were normally aspirated, they did turn 20,000 RPM.
Yeah.
That's impressive that they stored it dry and didn't let the carbs just fill up with goo.
This, we got lucky on this one because normally it's a rip the carbs off, clean everything, rebuild stuff, put it back together. But this thing runs actually pretty darn good. It runs good enough where I feel like I could put it up for sale and, you know, as is type of deal as a project. I am stoked that it runs. All right, Damon, what do you think?
It runs pretty good.
Runs pretty good, huh?
It runs very good. You want to fire it up?
Yeah, fire it up. No choke. It'll sit and idle.
Sitting there and idle without the choke. It's a good thing.
Pretty awesome. Well, that is a big relief that it runs. And I'm sure we're going to do more stuff with it. But I just want to make a video of the old first startup because that's always exciting. As always, thanks for tuning in. If you happen to be new to the channel, subscribe while you're here. We play with motorcycles and buy stuff. It's awesome. But yeah, we'll see you on the next one.